Hey guys, we received this Poetic iPhone 13 case for test and try. This is a Spartan series with a cell phone case for iPhone 13 with a full body rugged premium texture and also have the stand. So let me just open this up. So this is two variants. One is like if you don't want to use it as a screen protector, and one have a inbuilt screen protector. So this one is here. You can see from all the closely built things here. So let me just take out all this protective covering so I can show it to you. So this is my iPhone 13. So let me just put it on the top. So the screen protector goes really well on the top, and then from the sides, I'm just putting in everything. As you can see from the inside as well. So you have to adjust on the corners, and these are the really shockproof corners. So may take some time in the starting, but you can easily put in here. So this is closely taken over by this case, silicone case, and then you can see all these sides and everything. And this is a stand that you can also use it easily with the either side, and then as a MagSafe charging thing as well, and you can pretty use it nicely with all the protective cases cover from the back, and everything looks really nice as you can see from the corners, and also all the ports and things are fine, buttons are working fine. So the case and the protection is all good, so there is no issue with the charging port, with the speakers, with the openings ports and other things.